Welcome back, folks. We are in Project 1C, and I want to show you how to start using Tinkercad. So go up here to Create New Design, and you're going to see the work plane down here. And one thing I want you to make sure that you know how to do is hit Control right now. And if you follow along with me, hit Control and then right-click on your mouse button, and you can take and rotate and zoom. At least rotate. And if you want to zoom, you roll your mouse wheel back and forth. If you want to pan, smash your wheel down and then hold it down, then you can move it. But to tilt this thing, again, Control and you right click and then smash your button, your wheel down, you can pan and all those good things. So I want you to work with that and kind of get an idea how that works. And of course, you've got your view cube over here if you want to look at something straight on front. If you want to look at it from the top, look at it isometric view. So what I want to do is, anyhow, is come over here, and there's different things that you have, these little tools over here. You've got all kinds of tools to use. I just want you to get in there and toy around with them. Now, I want to click on this box. If I put a box in here and click, well, when I put it in, it puts it flat. Do you all see that? Flat to the horizontal plane. Just like that. If I were to grab and click on this and grab that little arrow, it is going to move it off that horizontal plane. It'll show me 70 millimeters. We're in millimeters, by the way. If I come over here and click on that and hit 0, enter, it'll put it right back. Okay? But I can also pull that up and I can grab this grip. And depends on which grip you're grabbing, it'll pull it. You see what I'm saying? Hold that wheel down, see what I'm doing. If I click, and I'll grab that, and I'll pull that back down. You can see the numbers here. You can eyeball it down, and you'll actually see when it hits that horizontal plane. And boom, right there. Do you see how I'm going through it? I'm minus now. See, -3. I'm coming back out of it 0. So it's pretty cool. You can grab this right here, and you can make it a certain size. You can make it 60 millimeter vertically here. I can make this 10 millimeter. Oh, it went the wrong way. It went that way. I'll make that 60 as well. I'll make a square out of it. Now I'll get my height. Let's see if I can get my height here. You just got to find the correct button to push. Right there it is. Now I'll make that 10. Y'all see that? So that gets it to that point. Now I can come over here and add a cylinder into it. You can grab this cylinder and come over here, and when you click, like I said, when you bring it in, when it clicks, it goes all the way to the bottom. And I'm just going to grab that, and I want to pull that up. I'm just going to take and pull it over in here, just like that. Turn it around. You can see. See, they're two separate entities. You see that? I click on this one, click on this one. They're two separate entities. If I hit Shift button on my keyboard and click on this square, and then click on my circle, see how it opens up these tools over here? Solid. And what that does, when I click on this group, it put them together. See, now when I click on one, it clicks on both of them. It is a solid now. See how there you can't see that anymore? It made it one solid piece. Now I want you guys to try that out. Now, you have these other little tools that look like they're kind of invisible or clear. Click that. I'll bring it over here and I'll show you what it does. Pull that up. I want to make the diameter a little bit smaller on this. Let's make it like 5. That might be, oh, I made an ellipse. Y'all see that? Let's make it about 10. We'll make this one 10. I want it to be circle. So there we go, 10 and 10. I can actually just grab that now and pull it over. And I'm going to turn it around. I can click on my top here too. I just grab it and put it, somewhere in the middle. And we're just toying around with this thing. All right. Now hit Shift, click on this solid part, and then click on this invisible part here. You see it again? You have got group. If I click it, check what happened. I put a hole through it. I just subtracted some material. So it's pretty cool, some of the things you can do in here. And it's a really nice little software to do some 3D modeling with. And like I said, get in here and toy around with all these different shapes and things and see what they are. But I want to show you how to use the Scribble tool today. All right. So click on Scribble, and I'm going to go up here to the top. And what it does, it opens up another screen. And I can actually write my name. Okay. And if I'm finished, I just hit done and see how it puts it on here, just like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And I can actually shrink it. Y'all see that? Scale it. I can go in here and put it on top of this, or however I want to do it. I can make it height, scroll back and forth. If I don't like something, I can double click it, and it brings me back to it. Maybe I want to erase something. I don't like that right there too much, so I can just erase that off. You can use this to do things. I can erase by doing things like that. I mean, just some, you're just designing, so that's fine. So when you're done, hit done. I don't like that being that tall. So bring it back there. If you want rid of this, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm just going to delete. Put me another little box down here. I'm going to put my name on that. Put it back there. Now, so I can turn that. I'm just going to grab that. And I am going to have to turn it, if I can get to it here, and bring that up. Now I can take and I can bring it over. And I'll sit right on top of that. Then now I can get a good look at it and see where I'm at, and I can just lay it right on top of that. Y'all see that? And if I want to make a union of that, I can. I can click on it, Control, click both of them, boom, they're one piece. So that's basically just a few little things, some basics in Tinkercad that I want you to get in there and do. And if you'll see right here, this is an example of what I want you to do. I'll click here, and here's a screenshot of it. Do something like that, okay? Now, how do you get a screenshot of it? I'll show you a trick. Come down here and type in snipping tool. Go to your search, type in snipping tool, and it's so easy. When this snipping tool comes up, hit new, and all you have to do is boom, you've got it. File, save as, save it somewhere where you know where it's going to, and I'll put project 1C, save. All right, you got it. And all you have to do is when you come in here, you just have to add that. And your screen's going to look a little bit different than mine, but all you have to add is that image of that drawing. Okay? So, again, if you need help with this, just let me know. and I'll help you. But this right here is what I'm looking for. Something along that. Just get in there and tinker around with it and make that little square, put your name on it, make you some shapes, whatever you want to do. This is up to you, but I want you to at least scribble your name with the scribble tool and make you a little rectangle and some little designs in it. I'm going to let you be free with that. Design what you will, okay? So if you need help, please let me know.